The 23-inch Brette III is a pendant-style ceiling fan with a trendy drum cage design. The fan is damp rated for indoor or covered outdoor use and is remote control operated. The 23-inch blade span is best suited for small spaces that are 10 feet by 10 feet or smaller. The fan can be installed on standard ceilings and ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead, or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. On the canopy assembly, twist and remove the canopy ring. Remove the non-slotted canopy mounting screws. Loosen the remaining slotted screws. Twist and remove the mounting bracket. On the hanger ball down rod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the down rod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Feed the motor's wires through the down rod and insert it into the motor's collar. Align the holes and insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. If you are using an extended length down rod, an optional wire extender is included. Slide the coupling cover, canopy ring, and canopy onto the down rod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to reattach the ground wire, insert the cross pin, and tighten the set screw against the side of the down rod. At the ceiling box, loosen the 2 screws. Align and slide the mounting bracket over the screws and tighten them securely. Carefully bring the fan up to the ceiling and seat the hanger ball in the mounting bracket. Turn the fan to align the groove in the ball with the tab on the bracket. To avoid interference from other fans or devices, you can set the frequency code in the remote and the receiver. Remove the rubber cover on the receiver to access the dip switches. Flip the dip switches to create a new and unique code. Access the battery compartment of the remote and duplicate the code. The dip switch codes must match or the fan will not function. Bring the receiver up to the ceiling box. Slide the receiver into the mounting bracket with the flat side facing up. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, down rod, and mounting bracket together with a wire nut. Combine the white wire from the receiver with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black wire from the receiver with the hot wire from the outlet box. Connect the 3-pin wire connectors from the receiver and the fan motor together. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Then carefully tuck the connections up towards the ceiling box. Lift the canopy over the canopy mounting bracket screws and twist into place. Insert the removed screws and tighten all screws securely. Slide the canopy ring over the screws and twist to lock into place. Safely restore power at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. On the remote, install the included batteries to begin using the fan. Press the power button to toggle the fan and light on or off. Press the fan speed button to cycle through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. Press the light button to turn the light on or off. Hold the light button to cycle through the different brightness settings. Press the Comfort Breeze button to enable Comfort Breeze mode, a feature that simulates a relaxing breeze by randomly alternating between different fan speeds. Press the Timer button to cycle through the timer function. You can set a 2-hour delay, 4-hour delay, or 8-hour delay. With the fan turned off, use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. The LED strips on this fan model are covered by a limited manufacturer warranty and can be easily replaced if they ever stop working. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. You can replace the LED strips with the fan installed on the ceiling, or you can bring the fan down to provide more space to work. Remove all 6 top housing screws. Remove the top housing to expose the LED strip inside. Twist the plastic clip to release the wires, then unplug the 2-pin wire connectors. Remove all 3 thumb screws. Lift and remove the defective LED strip. Place the replacement LED strip inside the housing and align the holes. Insert and tighten all 3 removed thumb screws. Connect the 2-pin wire connectors. Place the wires in the clip and twist to hold in place. Align the top housing over the holes and insert the 6 removed top housing screws. Repeat the process for the remaining LED strip. If taken down, reinstall the fan. Power can safely be restored at the breaker. Test the light to ensure the LED strips have been successfully replaced. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and other assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.